My name's Bailey, and this is my great outdoor life. I think my favorite thing to do outdoors is to hunt. It's so rewarding, being able to run down there, dress it out in the field, take it in to get processed. It's a great feeling, and it shows that your hard work can pay off. The practical aspect of being able to kill your own meat and clean it is important. It's completely free of all the preservatives that are put in food nowadays, and you know exactly where it came from. I got involved in the outdoors at a pretty young age. My dad and I would go on little camping trips where we'd learn wilderness skills, how to camp, how to cook on a camping stove, how to fish. And then as I grew up, our trips got more and more high adventure. My family didn't grow up hunting. We did a lot of fishing, but when I came here, I learned from Ryan.
We both come from a different background of how we were introduced to the outdoors, because I may know more about one thing where she knows more about something else. It's nice to have that shared appreciation, but different knowledge about it. We got her a hunting rifle, and she had to become proficient at shooting the 270.
My love for the outdoors, it's so deep and it's so widespread that it's really hard to explain. I love the great outdoors for all the opportunities it provides. To learn, meet new people, to provide for yourself, to gain life skills, confidence, independence. So many things that the outdoors can give to a person is why I love being out here.
So there's a bunch of different communities, sportsmen, natural activists, and hikers and fishermen and so on and so forth. They have their own recreational sport, but ultimately it's about preserving and helping the ecosystem in which they enjoy being in.
A lot of the farmers around here make their living off of planting crops, and when the pigs come in, they root up all the crops. They'll dig in the ground looking for something to eat. Whenever that happens, the farmers will lose a lot of their crops. So one of the things we do to make sure that we are proficient in our hunting is we use game cams. They call it hunting, not killing, for a reason. And we'll target what we want to get. If there's some hogs that are really tearing up the ground, we'll be able to see those on the game camera. So when we go out the next night to hunt, we'll know exactly what we're looking for. So when we go hog hunting, we have one main goal, and that's just to decrease the population of hogs so that the farmers can still have the livelihood from those crops. They're very relentless and destructive. Hog hunting is very exciting. It's so different from deer hunting. It's so fast-paced, stalking the hogs through the night, and how we can get up to those hogs and take them all down. Best memory I've had out here so far. Once we get there, it's fast, it's furious. So we just came out on the property. We already see a big group, about 25 pigs. They're all migrating towards the feeder. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to stalk them out, get as close as we can, and then see how many we can take down.
We're 100 yards. Make sure we step real easy. Which one are you shooting at?
Oh, I gotta look. I was right.
Ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. One more. Good shit.
There's two groups of pigs. There's one over here in this wood line, and there's a big group that's out in the middle of the open. So we split up the shooters on who's gonna shoot what group, and then we just put a lot of lead down range real quick. I think we got about 6 or 8 of them down.
Yeah, we'll walk down there and see how many we got, and take any last shots if we need to.
It's always an adrenaline rush. It's awesome.
It's fun.
I love it.
When people find out what I do, usually they're pretty surprised. I'm a first-year medical student in Texas. I get a lot of, oh, I didn't think you'd be the kind of person to kill and clean and cook your own deer. But if you can kill and clean and cook your own deer, you can do anything. On the weekends, when I can take off my white coat, put on my muck boots, go out to the land and work with my hands, whether that be on the lake or in the fields or in the barn. And they both kind of work together to make me a stronger person. It makes me a stronger hunter, a stronger outdoorsman, and then the same way it makes me a stronger doctor, hopefully in the future, and practicing clinician. Having these two very contrasting activities really heightens my love for each of them. I do plan on having kids one day. I hope that they can grow up in nature like I was able to. All the things that the outdoors has to offer, I hope that I can share that with others.